Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the biometric authentication in the Barion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the other button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And in order to enable biometric authentication, click on the white circle next to it. And then first you have to enter a 4-digit PIN code. And then you have to enter it again. And then that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.